Running a successful business channel on YouTube requires more than just posting videos. You need engaging content that adds value to your audience. From tutorials to behind the scenes, each video should tell a story. Consistency is key, so stick to a schedule. Don't forget to interact with your viewers through comments and live streams. And most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, building a community takes time, but with dedication and creativity, your channel can thrive. In today's digital world, having a YouTube channel for your company is a game changer. With YouTube being the second largest search engine, it's a goldmine for boosting your brand's visibility and connecting with your audience. Showcase your products, share valuable content, and build a loyal following. This guide will help you create a successful business channel on YouTube, optimize it for maximum impact, and reach new heights. Let's make your mark in the digital landscape.